On top of the world, right here in Seattle, where we're making cement for all of the Pacific Northwest. Check out the kiln.
This 2024 Manufacturing Week Bus Tour Spotlight is presented by Primera.
Ashgrove was a cement company that was a family-owned company for about 135 years, up to the point where CRH purchased us. So cement is an ingredient of concrete and mortar. Again, someone explained it to me once in a very simple way. You take some rocks, you crush them, and then you cook them, you crush them again, and there's your cement. It's because we use such a high heat application for the consumption of things, we also can burn alternative materials for fuel. So that's about 20 to 25% of the fuel that we consume as tires nowadays, because the kiln burns so hot and all of that is consumed. And all of the waste of the tire actually becomes part of the cement.
This is our spot. It's developed by Boston Dynamics. It's the world leader in robotics. We got it in here just to do inspections on our equipment in running condition or extreme conditions where we have safety risk.
This is where the magic happens. This is the kiln. So right in this area where the fans are is where it gets to the 27 degrees Fahrenheit, where the chemical reaction happens. So that's all of the kiln feed that we make that before we send it up to the tower is stored in those silos. We use high pressure air to blow the kiln feed up into the top, and it gets put into these chambers and starts working its way down and starting the chemical process and getting heated up.
We're the only cement manufacturer in Washington State. Anything else that we're competing with here in the market is an import. But beyond just supporting Washington with that, we're always looking at reducing carbon and carbon reduction.
So it's all about producing a good quality material that you can build and make your concrete, make your driveways, make your streets in a way that uses less clinker, ergo less carbon emitted in the process.
This 2024 Manufacturing Week Bus Tour Spotlight was presented by Primera.